Hello friends, good day to you all. I am Anuya Chabukswar. Today I am going to give you information about addiction and its effect on our body. For last 4 to 5 years, I am working on the project of anti-addiction drive. I go to different colleges and schools and there I give the information about the addiction and its bad effect on our body to the children, and I try to bring awareness among them about the addiction. So today, with the help of this channel, I am going to give you the same information. Try to listen to it carefully, try to think over it and decide for yourself that you will never ever go for any type of addiction. Hello friends. Friends, up till now I have told you about different types of addictions such as tobacco or gutka or cigarette or alcohol. Now today I am going to tell you about a different type of addiction, and that is the addiction of mobile, computer and internet. This type of addiction is emerging in youth nowadays, and people all over the world are concerned about it. Children need counseling for this, or new rehabilitation centers are set up for them. There are children who, after every 15 minutes, they check their WhatsApp or Facebook or Instagram accounts. Children who have smartphones, they spend even 4 to 5 hours in using this Facebook and other things. Now you can imagine what type of career or what type of future this student will have if he spends this valuable 4 to 5 hours in a day for just this computer and Facebook and WhatsApp. He will not study and he will not prosper in his life. Those children, they even don't take interest in outdoor games or in their hobbies. They are all the time looking at their mobiles. Even when they are in the company of their relatives or friends, they don't keep aside their mobile. They just again and again they look at the mobile, check their accounts, check their Facebook, and if they don't get likes, they are depressed, they are irritated. If they are not allowed to look at the phone, again they are irritated. So that means they become addict to it. When you drink alcohol or you have some drugs, consume drugs, at that time there are some physical or chemical changes in your brain. Similarly, when you use computer for a long time, there are physical and chemical changes in your brain, and that is why this type of addiction is also very fatal. There are many physical illnesses which you have to suffer because of this addiction, such as backache, neck pain, sleeplessness, weight gain or weight loss, and your problems of eyes. Try to keep yourself away from this type of addiction. I will give you one small example to show that to what extent a person can go when he is addict. Recently there was a news in the newspaper that a school going child, he committed suicide because his grandmother did not allow him to see WhatsApp. Now you can understand why this is dangerous. Any addiction is dangerous, and this addiction also is dangerous, and we should be careful about it. So children, decide for yourself that you will not use computer unless it is quite essential. When you want to get information, at that time only try to use internet, and don't use computer for playing games and other things. Instead of that, take interest in outdoor games and your hobbies, pursue your hobbies and try to live healthy and joyful life.